WebEx site administrators define and manage processes and standards for their organization's WebEx services using site administration tools. As a WebEx site administrator, you have the power and responsibility to customize and configure site settings, control availability of in-meeting features, define, manage, and support user accounts, and monitor service usage. Your organization's web services are accessed via public websites that you manage. Site administration options let you modify the order and content of the site navigation links. Determine security requirements for site access. Make scheduling options that hosts will use most often, such as audio settings, the site's default choices, and select which optional features to make available to site users. Many of the features available during a WebEx session, including polling, chat, and web sharing, for example, are determined by the type of meeting or session scheduled. If your WebEx service was provisioned with the Custom Session Types option, you can define, add, and manage session types, and grant users access to them to meet your organization's needs. For example, you can create a session type to prevent users from using the remote control option during desktop sharing, so others outside your organization cannot access files on employees' computers or run network servers. Similarly, you may limit bandwidth issues by creating and assigning session types without video enabled. Creating custom session types is useful for many situations, but even without this option, you may customize your user's in-meeting experience by managing options available on the site settings page for each service type. WebEx site administrators are also given sole responsibility for managing user accounts, including their creation and ongoing support. Therefore, especially during the initial rollout of WebEx services, it is essential that your organization's site administrators decide how user accounts will be added, specify the privileges associated with each account, and understand how to provide basic support to users for common situations, such as account lockouts. Until granted access by a site administrator, no one in your organization will be able to utilize WebEx services, making this one of your most important tasks. Finally, once your organization's WebEx sites are configured and customized, you may use site administration tools to monitor their use. Assigning tracking codes, running reports, and reviewing in-progress meetings at various times during the day, week, and month will help you manage costs and adjust processes and standards to help your organization review maximum benefit from its WebEx services.